Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
PlayStation 5. The PlayStation 5 is scheduled to launch from November 12th, and Watch Dogs: Legion will be available digitally upon launch of the console. Physical copies for the PlayStation 5 will be available on November 24th.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Aiden Pearce, the protagonist from the original game, will return in DLC for Watch Dogs: Legion, along with his own unique story campaign. Fans of the first Watch Dogs will have the chance to play as the iconic character yet again.
Take our lead.
Ubisoft confirms its new guerrilla warfare shooter Far Cry 6 won't come to Steam when it launches in February 2021. Far Cry 6 will launch on PC, through the Epic Games Store, Uplay, and Uplay Plus. Ubisoft said in a press release. This isn't the first major Ubisoft game to skip Steam.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.